Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna be going to the gym and snowstorm, and I'm not really sure if it's open or not, but we're gonna go outside, see. I'm gonna show you guys the snow and everything, and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right? Okay.
Jovencito de 40 años mueren, no.
Look guys, the snow, this thing fell off. Damn, I think that broke. We got a big snowstorm this year. It's been a while since we had snow like this. So I'm gonna go clean my car real quick and hi guys, so I don't think I can get my car right now because it's pretty bad right now and my car gets stuck in the snow, so I don't want to risk it. But I'm gonna show you right now guys how it looks outside. It looks super bad right now. Hi guys, so I just had to walk today because my car is definitely gonna get stuck in this snow. So I'm just gonna go to the gym, try to see if it's open, and then if it's not, then I'm just gonna go get chocolate and then just chill, go for a walk in this snowy day. Oh, you see guys? Alright guys, I'll talk to you later and I'll show you some of the snow. Okay, bye. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hi guys, so I just finished working out. Today I just did a little bit of stretching, a little bit of calisthenics. I practiced a planche, handstand, and I didn't do much today because I don't know. Now I'm gonna go to get some hot chocolate from this place that I like, and then I'm gonna go home, edit this video, and just enjoy the rest of my day. Today was very cold, guys, but you know, we show up, we come to the gym. I was surprised, there was a lot of people today, and not much, to be honest. Just wanna say to, you know, keep moving forward, keep going to the gym, and you know, keep enjoying life. Can't wait for the spring. You know, it's been really cold lately, so I'm looking forward to the spring this year, and I'll see you guys around. Okay, take care, have a good night, and be careful, drive safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.